Hi guys, today we're learning how to edit Pinterest pictures. First, unlock your phone and open the Pinterest app. Once you're on the home page, browse through the feed and open any pin you want to work with. After opening the pin, don't tap the search icon. Instead, tap Save below the pin and choose the board where you want to save it. This makes it easier to access the pin later. Now tap your profile icon and open the board where you saved the pin. Find the saved pin and tap on it to open it again. Tap the search icon on the right side of the pin, then press and hold on any object in the image to search for similar items. Pinterest will show visually similar results based on the area you selected. You can move the selection to search for different objects within the picture. However, you generally can't directly edit someone else's Pinterest image unless the creator has provided editing or remix features. If those features are available for that pin, you'll see the appropriate editing option on the screen. And that's how you can use Pinterest's visual search and check whether a pin supports editing features. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.